Welcome back to our channel Casa Equilibrium. Today we are here to do a 10 minutes abs workout. So let's get ready. Come with me. We start in our fourth positions on our hands and knees. And let's do some cat counts. So inhale, look up. Exhale, arch your back, look to your belly. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Inhale, look up, stretch your belly, and exhale, arch. Let's come into neutral position and let's touch our toes and come into bear position. So your knees is gonna be some centimeters away from the floor. Let's hold. Inhaling and exhaling through your nose. Strong position. Let's come into plank and come into our elbows. Let's hold for a minute. Hold. Try to don't lose your form. Stay still, strong. Stay with me. On your next inhale, we touch our left elbow and straight your right arm to the ceiling. Stay in the side plank. Don't lose the weight of your hips, so stay up with your body. Inhale, exhaling. On your next inhale, extend your right arm and exhale, touch your elbow to your knee. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Let's come back to your elbow plank position and let's do some dolphin workout. So adjust your position. Inhale, dip your hips and exhale, hips to the ceiling. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, strong arms, strong elbows, strong abs. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Come back up to your plank on your hands. Hold. Let's hold this strong abs position. Stay still. Inhale and exhale. Touch your knees to the floor. Come into a child's pose for 1 second. Extend your arms and let's switch position. So let's go look into the back of our mat now. Back to our bear position. So touch our toes. Inhale, up. Stay still. Don't lose the form of your abs, of your body. Inhale, exhale. Now come to plank position. Extend your legs. Stay with the hips high. Inhale, exhale. Come down to your elbows. And let's come now to our right elbow. So we come to side plank. On your other side now. Extend your arm. Don't lose the weight. Stay. Inhale, exhale. Working on our obliques now. On your next inhale, extend your arm. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend, and exhale, touch. Inhale, extend, exhale, touch. Inhale, hold, exhale, touch. Come back to our elbows, adjust your posture. Let's do some dolphins. So, prepare. Inhale, come down with your hips. Exhale, the hips up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Now come up to your plank position. Let's come down to our mat. Sit down. Let's bring your hands at the back of our mat. Touch your foot to the floor. Inhale. Lift your hips. Prepare. On your next inhale, bend one knee at a time. Exhale, change. Inhale, bring up and exhale. Inhale, bend one knee. Exhale, touch. Inhale, bend one knee. Exhale, touch. One more time. Inhale, exhale, and inhale, exhale. Let's come down. Bring your arms to the front and slowly let's come down until you feel our abs completely activate. Inhale, now bring one knee, exhale. Inhale, the other knee comes up and exhale. It's the same movement, but now we are sit down on the floor. One more time. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Now let's come down a little bit more and let's bring one knee at a time straight. Come into both spots. You can leave your legs extend or you can bend them. So let's hold this strong position. One more. Inhale, exhale, touch your feet to the floor, and slowly let's come down, vertebra by vertebra, laying down on your mat. Adjust your body, and let's bring one knee at the chest, extend the other leg. Inhale, lift your forehead. We pulse 1, 2, and change. 1, 2, change. 1, 2, change. Inhaling and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now hold, extend your arms. One time. Inhale, extend. Inhale and extend. We change. Lift your body up. Now extend the two legs and let's do the scissor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hold your knees to your chest. Relax your head to the floor. Rotate your knees so we can chill our backs. One side to the other side. Let's extend our legs to the ceiling now. Extend your arms. On your next inhale, extend your arms to the back. Exhale, try to touch your hands to your toes. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, lift, and inhale. One more time. Touch. Now, let's hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Hug your knees. Relax your body. Let's bring our toes and your feet to the ground. Close your eyes for a second. Bring your hands to your belly, to your chest. Deep inhale and exhale. Let's lift our hips to the sky, to the ceiling, so you can stretch your abs for 1 second before we finish this fast but effective abs workout. Exhale, come down, and let's sit down the way we start our practice, with your legs crossed in the front of you. Inhale, lift your right arm, and exhale, bend to your left side. Stretching our obliques, your abs. Inhale, come up, and exhale, the other side. Great job. I hope you feel now your abs act your body in the best shape after this practice, and I hope to see you very soon on our next video. Thank you so much. Namaste.